Alrighty, so here's my self-selected virtual library. I have Night, Farewell to Manzanar, Anne Frank's Tale from the Secret Annex, I Am Rosa Parks, Esperanza Rising, and The Help. All of these books I would definitely try and incorporate in my classroom. These books can be really influential and just get students to open their eyes on different topics and different periods in time. They give you a glimpse of something that you would never be able to imagine on your own. Going back, I also have children's books, Whoever You Are, Llama Llama Time to Share, The Pout Pout Fish, and The Sandwich Swap, all of which talk about main things that students need to learn, like self-love, self-acceptance, sharing, empathy, and learning how to solve problems. Going on to poetry, Milk and Honey and the Sun and Her Flowers are two of my favorites personally. I could use them in a high school setting, but they might be challenged because of some of the topics that Rupi Kaur does talk about. The Three Little Pigs and Falling for Rapunzel have been and are two of my favorite fairy tales that I could use in a classroom. Grimm's fairy tales I would have to actually really think about because it is kind of gruesome and touchy. I maybe be able to use it in a high school setting, but I'm not sure. I have well-known books like Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, or as it is called in the United Kingdom, the Philosopher's Stone. And then I have two more of that. Loved it as a kid. Brave New World, I would think about using twice just because of the language and the difficulty in reading. I know I read it in high school and didn't understand anything until I had to read it again in college. I have a B book and Number the Stars, which also takes you to a different place and puts your life in perspective.